Picking the right colors can have a significant impact on your space. However, some people are too hesitant to do some experiments with color. Thus, they opt for white, and there's nothing wrong with it. But don't you want to add pops of color to your home? Vibrant colors bring energetic vibes to your house, which would be a reason behind the craze. If you're looking for ideas to adopt these hues without making your home look chaotic, here are 10 vibrant living room ideas that you can use to spark some interest and style. As always, Essentialhome presents you with the list. 10. Highlight or cover it. Creating a colorful room requires at least more than one hue. It could go with just one, but it might look a bit mundane. Therefore, you need to mix in a couple more colors, but be careful not to overdo it as it could create a mess. Color can either highlight or hide something by making it look clear or blurring. An uneven wall or one with cracks are just some of the common examples you may find in a living room. A dark color would be the best choice to conceal the flaws, or pick a similar one that can camouflage them. 9 is to apply several colors simultaneously. Getting bored of something that's been there for a long time is a natural feeling. Therefore, you need to do makeover projects sometimes. If you don't want to spend much money and time, you can try applying some vibrant color to the wall. This vibrant idea would fit to address teenager or young adult vibes. It looks so much fun having several colors painted on the same wall. The black and white color rug on the floor is the perfect means to reduce the bright atmosphere. The dark blue couch is also a great addition to the living room. Some general instructions. 1. To lower your chance of error, you better choose one color that you would use for a larger space. 2 is to choose another color for the smaller part and repeat the same steps until you reach your desired result. 3 is stick with some subtle patterns. Small patterns are common, but using bold and large patterns could prevent the room from appearing chaotic. 4 is to add some paint to your furniture too. You may be surprised with the benefits paint could bring to your living room. A painted table or wooden chair could complement the vibrant hues of your living room. 8 is keeping your room a natural tone. Combining colors will be much easier with white as the base. But what if you only have exposed brick walls that are the hallmark of rustic and industrial style? The reddish bricks are a natural beauty. They can add pattern and texture simultaneously. Besides, they can be as versatile as white walls when creating a vibrant living room. Since the walls are red, you may need to consider painting the ceiling white to balance it. This way, you can apply vibrant furniture without creating an eyesore. But remember, adding color doesn't always have to be on the walls or the ceilings. There are many other features you could consider. The floor would be nice since it contributes considerably to the living room. 7 is white and pinkish hues. Welcome to the living room with a sweet sense of color choice. The dark couch and rug make other colors look much brighter as they intended to. The pinkish tone is hard to resist as it takes place on the doors, windows, and ceilings. When sitting, you would naturally face forward or even above as the room has a bold choice of coloring. The white walls perfectly contrast the pink hues, while the mini yellow tables really splash a beauty and a center of attention on the floor. 6 is a beautiful rough surface living space. Appearances can be deceiving. This living room, for example, has proven that colors can trick the eye. A wall can have a 3D painting that looks real, but you need some excellent skills. Well, no sweat, there are thousands of wallpaper ideas that you can purchase and stick on the walls. This wall will look stunning with a rough surface and lovely colors. But if you prefer a more conventional style, the terracotta wall would be a great choice. 5 is to get some pillows. Everyone would agree that white is the most common palette used in many buildings, including your living room. It brings peace and calm and can go with lots of other colors. This living room challenges the white tone with some pinkish objects that romantically brighten up the room. When you need to add some more color, pillows are the best alternative. You could just switch the furniture to different colors, as white hues could make a lovable base background. 4. Enrich your interior with plants. An open room that receives sufficient light can make the colors look much better. Some suggest putting a mirror to create a vibrant room with a lack of space. Thinking of something to elaborate a vivid living room idea, a natural choice feels just right. Yes, adding plants is another way to decorate when you have already painted the wall and added those colorful couches. Plants really are a great addition to balance the living room in terms of color. They have various leaves and flowers to save the day. Here's some step-by-step instructions. 1 is choose and grow your plants. 2 is grow them on the planters first and then move them to the living room. 3, without harming the plant's roots or cutting the flowers, feed them once a week. as this would allow their growth and survival. And 4 is to provide sufficient light for your living room plants because they don't need to put up much effort into growing up to 6 feet high. 3 is to get a rug to complete your interior. Blue and white make a calm environment. The terracotta walls look pretty in white. You can't go wrong with hanging some art pieces in a wide size. And if you want the room to seem more spacious, you could consider removing some furniture from that room. It'll create some new space and make the room look pretty. If the floor doesn't go together with the wall or you want to fancy it up, a solution could be to lay down a rug. This striped rug fits the white wall, bringing a fresh and cool ambience to the living room. 2 is to change out the old lamps. Windows hold a significant role in creating a vibrant room, as they allow the light to enhance the painting on the walls. These skylights become necessary when you include plants in the living room. When redecorating a living room, there may be some things that you should change to match the new appearance. Lamps are one of the items mentioned above. Install new lamps with shapes and brightness that suit the current setting to increase the vibrant feel. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, cover it up with curtains. When the living room naturally receives abundant sunlight, getting curtains are a great idea to counteract that light explosion. Curtains can also improve the room with their beautiful patterns and style. As a result, curtains are still a popular option to decorate your living room. As curtains typically come in wide sizes, it would significantly impact when they have vibrant hues. A table can be the center of the living room, as it would be wise to have a wonderful one surrounded with chairs. You can have a white, black, or gray table here, which shouldn't be a problem. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Browse and follow Simp Home website for more home decor and makeover ideas. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, in Essentialhome.EU, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that Essentialhome has to offer. Last, other than the 3 list titles that I already mentioned, I am giving you 25 hand-selected titles based on unique categorization that you can enjoy and take from the website that I already endorse. Here they are. Top 20 List and Beyond category. Number 1, 333 Small Kitchen Ideas, Organization and Kitchen Designs. 2, 125 Kitchen Makeover Ideas for this year and beyond. 3, 100 plus ideas on how to transform your small bedroom into a calming sanctuary. 4, 62 IKEA furniture and storage creative makeovers. 5, 33 organizing small household item ideas. 6, 20 decor projects that will upgrade your home. 7, 20 organization products and decorations for a small living room. And number 8, 20 lit small bedroom organizing ideas worth trying. New top 12 list category. Number 1, 12 bedroom makeovers on a budget ideas. 2, 12 budget-friendly DIY backyard decor ideas. 3, 12 minimalist bedroom organization tips. 4, 12 modern bathroom makeovers. 5, 12 unique organization for small bedroom ideas. 6, 12 bathroom cabinet makeover, and number 7, 12 backyard makeover ideas on a budget. Return to the Slide House channel. Eventually, I'm going to present you with the 10 best lighthouse titles that you can rewatch or re-explore in Essentialhome's website, in case you already missed it. Number 1. 10 small space ideas to maximize small bedroom. 2. 10 cheap landscaping ideas for small backyards. 3. 10 small living room makeover ideas. 4. 10 unique wall painting ideas for small bedroom. 5. 10 garden paving ideas. 6. 5 clever living walls and vertical garden ideas. 7. 10 vertical garden trellis ideas. 8. 10 storage ideas for small space bedrooms. 9. 10 backyard garden vegetable garden ideas. And lastly, number 10. 10 small bedroom office ideas.